Upgrading your Brita OAR1 A1000 filter system. Open the filter tap to release the pressure in the lines. Leave the tap in this position. Step 1. Shut off the water supply to the filter system by turning the valve to the off position. Step 2. If your system is mounted, simply push up and pull towards you to release. Step 3. Unscrew the inlet braided line, has an arrow, and screw back onto the inlet side left of the Brita Upgrade Kit. Step 4. Unscrew the outlet braided line and screw back onto the outlet side right of the Brita Upgrade Kit. Step 5. With the tap still open, turn on the water supply at the supply valve and flush with 5 litres of water. Check for leaks and tighten if needed.